In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent header in Squarespace. A transparent header can enhance the visual appeal of your website by allowing background images or colors to seamlessly integrate with your header design. This can give your site a modern and clean look that might better reflect your brand's aesthetic or just provide a sleeker presentation. So, let's dive into the process. Start by navigating to your Squarespace website editor. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate and click on Edit Site Header. This option usually pops up as you hover over or click on your site's header area within the editor. Entering the Site Header Management section is the first step in making those key styling adjustments. After selecting Edit Site Header, look towards the design settings of your header. You're aiming to customize the appearance, so click on Edit Design. This will open up options specifically geared towards modifying the look and feel of your header. Here's where we'll make the changes to achieve that transparent effect. Next, you'll want to locate and select Color. The color settings will allow you to tweak the visual properties such as background color and opacity, which is crucial for creating transparency. Once you're in the color settings, look for the Opacity Adjust bar. Here, you'll have the opportunity to manipulate the visibility of your header background. Now, this step is important. Set the opacity to 0. By adjusting the opacity to 0, you effectively remove any solid background color from your header, making it completely transparent. This allows your site's main content or the background image to appear uninterrupted behind the navigation menu and brand logo. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to click Allow but Sublab. This final step ensures that all the changes you've painstakingly made are secured and now reflected on your live site. Saving your work tells Squarespace to apply your design choices to your site's published version, meaning visitors will experience that seamless, transparent look you've created. And that's it! You've now transformed your Squarespace header into a transparent one, integrating more smoothly with your site's overall design. Whether you're showcasing artwork, photography, or simply aiming for a minimalistic feel, a transparent header can dynamically elevate the presentation of your website. Remember to preview your changes on different devices to ensure consistency and appeal across platforms. Thank you for following along, and happy designing!